Hey, this video is for Jason and Stefan. My name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm shooting this free short custom video for you guys. In this video, I plan to show you guys some things you can do today to outrank your competition, get more customers online, and grow your online presence. This is my marketing outreach. I believe it separates me from a lot of the other marketers. I'm going to show you very specific things for your website and how to increase it. 3 things I want to share with you today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. I hope you like what you see, and reach out to me. We can definitely talk more about a bigger game plan, or you can just use the free tips I give you today. So first thing I'm going to talk about is content, and on the home page specifically. So Google loves to see content, and they want to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. I see you guys have this website. It's pretty decent, but I think you can definitely update it and make more colored formats and different sections in there, and have a lot more content. You need a lot more content here. By adding at least 1,500 words with targeted keywords, you're going to push this website to the next level. It's going to start ranking really fast. Secondly, I told you I want to talk about citations. For that, I'll just show you a quick Google search, and let me explain what a citation is. It's basically anywhere on the web where you can put in your business name, address, and phone number. That's going to count as a citation. Now you want to get as many citations as possible. These are all going to go on online directories such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, White Pages, etc. You want to have as many as you can and more than your competition. So when a customer searches for something on Google, more or less this is what it's going to look like regardless of the search or location. So the first thing you see are these Google guaranteed ads. They're right on top of the page. That's a paid service through Google. Second, you're going to see the traditional Google ads, which is, as I'm sure you know, also a paid service through Google. Thirdly, you'll see this Google My Business or Google Map Pack. This is definitely a place that you want to be on. Google only shows the top 3 on the first page, and the top 3 are the ones that get all the clicks anyways. After that, we go on to the section called the organic section. This is the one that really legitimizes your company and gives you a lot of organic leads. So that's done through SEO, which is search engine optimization, and the content that I talked to you about earlier is going to help you get your site ranked organically. Thirdly, I want to show you backlinks. I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a really good tool. It gives me a lot of information about any website and tells me what I need to know about them. So a backlink is any website out there which points to you. So the more websites that point to you, the more popular you get with Google, and they rank you higher in the search results. As I see right now, you guys have 192 backlinks from 21 referring domains. You're ranking for 30 keywords, and you're only getting about 10 unique visitors to your website every single month. Now, to put this into context for you, I went on and searched a competitor, these guys right here. As you can see, the numbers are quite different. They have 381 backlinks from 47 referring domains. They're targeting 414 keywords, and they're pulling about 600 visitors each month to their website. Now, this is definitely where you want to be at, and this is where you are right now. So the more visitors to your website equals more leads, equals more potential customers, more money every single month. The whole point of a website is for it to attract new business for you. So the website should be working for you all the time. That's why you want to always make sure your website is optimized. Another thing I searched for you is right here. I see that your website is about 7 years old, and the last time it was updated was last year in August. That means since August it's been sitting idle. Nothing has been going on with it. Now Google sends crawlers through every website to pick up any changes, and since August you guys haven't really touched it. So that's just some information I wanted to share with you. I really hope you found it to be valuable. If you'd like to know more, or if you really like this video, give me a call. I'd love to talk, and we can talk about a bigger game plan. Like I said, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. It was really nice shooting this video for you guys. Steven and Jason, you guys have a great day.